To pay with Venmo on Lululemon. Start by ensuring you have the Venmo app installed on your device and an account set up. Next, navigate to the Lululemon website or mobile app and begin shopping for the items you wish to purchase. Once you have added all your desired items to the cart, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will see various payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and Venmo. Select Venmo as your preferred payment method. You will then be redirected to the Venmo login page where you will enter your Venmo credentials to authorize the payment. After logging in, you will be asked to confirm the payment amount and the Lululemon merchant information. Review the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the payment. The amount will be deducted from your Venmo balance or linked payment method, depending on your Venmo account setup. It is essential to note that to use Venmo on Lululemon, your Venmo account must be linked to a payment method such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Additionally, ensure your Venmo account has sufficient funds to cover the purchase amount. Using Venmo on Lululemon offers a convenient and secure payment experience. It eliminates the need to enter your payment information every time you make a purchase, making the checkout process faster and more efficient. Moreover, Venmo provides purchase protection, which can help resolve any issues with your transaction. In summary, paying with Venmo on Lululemon is a straightforward process that requires you to have a Venmo account. Select Venmo as your payment method on the Lululemon checkout page, and confirm the payment details. By following these steps and ensuring your Venmo account is set up correctly, you can enjoy a seamless and secure payment experience when shopping on Lululemon.